Food Over 50 is the first and only award-winning PBS cookery series that addresses healthful nutrition and the preventative and healing powers of food. Each carefully crafted episode emphasizes why good dietary health can be marvelously appetizing, not only to our core 50-plus audience, but to all age groups interested in the benefits of healthy living and longevity. Dietary wellness.
This is truly a complete meal in one salad. It's got the chicken for the protein, it's got the grains for starches, but they're all whole. There's a lot of fiber and nutrition in them.
Nutritional longevity.
And we need to remember that many of the medical conditions that we face, we can actually attack them with TLC. And I don't mean tender loving care. I mean therapeutic lifestyle changes. Diet, exercise, maintenance of as close to an ideal body weight as possible. This is the trifecta of success.
Food as medicine.
Whole grains, fruits, and especially vegetables are nutrient dense. That means they provide more nutrients per calorie than the other foods we eat. The other good thing about plant-based foods is they contain phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are chemical compounds found in our food that are known to help promote health.
Healthy lifestyling.
You know, harvesting your own food is amazing. Like this lobster here. It's not only gratifying, but it's a great way to earn what you eat.
By showcasing healthier food selections, conscientious preparation methods, and improved dining choices. Food Over 50 is proven to be an effective vehicle for incentivizing wellness, and our viewers agree. By advancing nutritional health through public television, we invite both corporate underwriters and nonprofit foundations to support our continued production of Food Over 50.